Candy opened in the plastic cup, and best of all, melts in your mouth. In a saucepan, let's start by adding 395 grams of condensed milk. Next, add 400 grams of sour cream, 5 tablespoons of powdered milk, and we will mix all this very well. Soon after, we will add 200 grams of white chocolate and mix again until we reach the ideal point. When our cream is in this consistency, you can turn off the heat. We're going to cover it with plastic wrap so we don't create that film on top. And we're going to leave it until it cools down. In a container with 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate, add 200 grams of sour cream, microwave until melted. Then just mix. With our ganache ready, let's start assembling it now. And look, the texture of our cream, which is perfect. Take it and let's now add a small amount of grape to the bottom of the glass. Then add some of the cream. And we're going to finish each cup by adding our ganache. To decorate, here I added a piece of grape to each glass. Once this is done, refrigerate until chilled. And look how amazing this dessert is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from the Pour in the Kitchen. That big hug. See you next time, and it was worth it.